What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm making you a solid promise. If your mind isn't completely blown after watching this video till the very end, I will shut down this channel forever. So before we begin, take a loving look at your smartphone. Give it one last glance, because after today's video, that cute little phone of yours is going to feel like an ancient Nokia 3310. Today, we're talking about a phone that hasn't even launched yet, but it's already keeping the CEOs of Samsung, Apple, and Google up at night. Yes, today's story is all about the Sony Xperia Pro 2. This isn't just any ordinary phone, my friends. This thing straight up hopped in a time machine from 2050 and landed right in our 2026 like some kind of UFO. So if you're one of those crazy tech enthusiasts who wants to see tomorrow's technology today, buckle up, tighten your seatbelt, close your eyes, and dive into this video, because the biggest technological revolution of our time is waiting for you. Without any further delay, let's embark on this journey. Design. When you first lay eyes on this phone, you'll swear somebody left a spaceship on the table. From the front, wow, it's all screen, with absolutely zero bezels anywhere. The glass and metal blend together like hot fudge on premium vanilla ice cream. The display is so immersive that when you watch a movie, the edges of the screen literally disappear, and you'll find yourself completely transported into that world. But wait, my friends, the real explosion is on the back. Brace yourselves, because Sony has done something so mind-blowing that it looks like somebody arranged a love marriage between a smartphone and a professional DSLR. On one side, you've got a smooth glass back, and on the other, boom, a massive 1-inch 500 megapixel camera sensor sticking out like a professional DSLR lens. And yes, you can actually rotate that lens with your fingers, just like focusing on a real camera. This is true innovation, folks. Just imagine, you walk into a wedding, and the guy next to you is holding his iPhone 16 Pro Max, the one he sold a kidney to buy, and then you pull out this Xperia Pro 2 from your pocket. His face would be priceless. He'll be thinking, is that a camera? Where's the phone? And you'll just casually say, bro, it's both, and it's the daddy of tomorrow's cameras. Yes, it's going to be a bit heavy, but that weight comes with the magic of magnesium alloy, the same metal used in high-end DSLRs, lightweight yet incredibly tough. Drop it, and the phone won't get a scratch, but the floor might end up with a crater. DSLR killer camera. Alright, let's talk about the soul of this phone. Just one single camera, but what a camera. A 500 megapixel, 1-inch sensor. Now I know what you're thinking, we've already seen Samsung's 200 megapixel cameras. But here's the difference, my friends, those 200 megapixel phones have tiny sensors, like a little teacup, while this Xperia Pro 2 sensor is a full dinner plate. We're talking about a sensor that's 10 times larger than a regular phone sensor. Nighttime photography. In complete pitch black darkness, your photos will look like they were taken under the blazing afternoon sun. Zero noise, zero grain, just pure, crystal clear, professional grade quality. Now think about it. Why would this phone need 3 or 4 cameras when this single beast can do wide, ultrawide, telephoto, macro, and everything else all at once? That's right, this is a single camera setup, but its AI-powered sensor mimics different focal lengths seamlessly. One camera to rule them all, without any loss in quality, because with 500 megapixels, there's so much data that you can crop the photo as much as you want, and it stays razor sharp. Talking about zoom, 100x zoom is old news. This phone rocks a massive 150x hybrid zoom, a killer combination of optical and digital. Picture this, you're standing on a mountain, and there's a bird sitting on a distant peak. Zoom in, and you'll be able to see the bird's pupils. And for video enthusiasts, 8K is ancient history at this point. This phone records in 12K video. Yes, 12K. The quality is so insane that you can pause that video and pull out a 25 megapixel still photo right from it. And yes, this single camera delivers a DSLR-like bokeh effect because that massive 1-inch sensor naturally creates depth of field, no software tricks needed, just pure, authentic DSLR quality background blur. Display. After capturing such mind-blowing photos, you need an equally stunning screen to view them. The Sony Xperia Pro 2 features a 6.9-inch 4K HDR OLED display with 1 billion colors. And with 12-bit color depth, we're talking over 68 billion colors, more shades than a chameleon has probably ever seen. 144 Hz refresh rate, glide your finger across the screen, and it feels like a hot knife through butter. Gaming or scrolling, everything is buttery smooth. 4500 nits peak brightness, say goodbye to the struggle of using your phone in sunlight. You could be sitting in the scorching desert sun and still stream Netflix without any issues. For protection, there's Corning Gorilla Glass Armor. Drop it, and it won't be the screen that's scared, it'll be the ground trembling. And the durability, IP68 is so yesterday. This thing has IP69K, we're talking high pressure hot water jets, sand, mud, you name it, this phone doesn't care. You could literally take it into the shower, although please don't try that at home, your wife might get upset. And Sony's color science, my friends, that's pure magic. Red stays red, green stays green, blue stays blue, no artificial saturation, just true-to-life colors that represent reality. One special feature: anti-reflective coating. Even under the harshest afternoon sunlight, there's zero glare on the screen. Perfectly clear, perfectly sharp. It's a small detail, but an absolute game changer. Performance. To handle those gigantic photos and 12K videos, you need a genuine rocket engine. And Sony delivers with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, built on a mind-blowing 2nm process. AI processing, camera computations, everything happens in the blink of an eye. 24GB LPDDR6 RAM, yes, 24GB. Your old laptop probably has less than half of that. UFS 5.0 storage with 5GB per second speeds, you can edit 12K videos in seconds. And the most crucial part, thermal management. With so much power, heat is inevitable, but Sony has installed a super phase change vapor chamber that works like a liquid cooling system, melting and solidifying just like the gas in your AC. Play PUBG or Genshin Impact on high graphics for hours, your hands won't burn, frames won't drop, and the phone won't break a sweat. Battery life. Now let's talk battery. Sony has literally installed the heart of a dinosaur here, a monstrous 7500 mAh battery. Charge it once, and it'll comfortably last you 2 full days. Even with heavy usage, you'll get through an entire day without sweating. When it comes to charging, we've got 120-watt hypercharge, 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. Wake up in the morning with zero battery, go take a shower, and by the time you're back, your phone is fully juiced up. 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless. If your friend's phone dies, just place it on top of your Xperia and give it a new lease on life. Software. Android 17, completely clean with zero bloatware, exactly the way Google intended. But for professionals, Sony has pre-installed apps like Photography Pro, Cinema Pro, and Music Pro. Just open them up and start shooting. Price and launch date. Now we come to the biggest question: will this phone actually land on Earth anytime soon? Well, my friends, currently this is an ultra-futuristic concept. Sony hasn't commercially produced it yet. But if it ever does launch, the estimated price would be between $1,700 and $2,000. Now some people will say, whoa, that's expensive. But think about what you're getting in one package: a flagship phone, plus a full-frame DSLR, plus a professional video recording device. A Sony A7R series camera alone starts at over $3,000, and that's before you even buy a good phone. Here, you're getting both in one device, and with just a single 500-megapixel camera that covers all your photography needs. That's a profitable deal, folks. As for the launch, according to sources, Sony might introduce this as a limited edition in December 2026 or early 2027, so hopefully, within a few months, this could be sitting in your pocket. So, my friends, do you think such a phone should become a reality? Would you spend $1,700 to $2,000 on this phone that leaves DSLRs in the dust, and all with just one single camera? And here's the fun question: if this phone magically appeared on your table tomorrow morning, what would be the very first thing you'd take a photo of? Your mom, your car, or the jaw-dropping face of that iPhone-toting friend of yours? Drop your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you think.